here we are, the RedCat shredder, baby. You know, we're doing our thing. It's ready for its maiden voyage with the Leopard motor that I installed in here. All right, so let's take the cover off, the bonnet for all my people out there across the pond. Take the bonnet off. All right, so we all hooked up now, baby. You know, we always had the Savox. That's always been in there. We got the 6S Arrma ESC. Got the Leopard motor in there. You know, got the switch all mounted nice. We got the center diff, the spur gear. Got the metal spur gear now. That was the plastic one at first. Also, inside this diff, it was no fluid. There was a little bit of grease in there, just a very little bit of grease. All right. So I went ahead and threw some 60K in there, some 60K center diff oil. Yep, some 60K center diff oils in there. Front and rear diffs, I didn't do anything with that yet. I didn't even take any of that apart. So right now we just got it all. That still probably doesn't have anything in it, right? Probably like some kind of grease or something just in them. I'll get to these a little later, I guess, you know, the front and rear diffs. We took out, this is where the original ESC was mounted, and ESC receiver and the switch were all mounted in this location. So right now we just got the stock receiver in there. You know, got my wires all routed, got everything looking good, neat. We got the 1600 kV Leopard motor in there. We're gonna run this thing on 4S first and see what kind of, you know, MPHs we get. I know we was getting kilometers per hour, but I was able to download the I guess the app for the GPS speed meter. So we're gonna take this thing out for some speed run. Like I said, we'll be on the same fluorine 2S packs. Yep, one there, and we got the other one. So let's go get these things outside, man. Let's go and get it powered up. Thing's pretty quiet. Alright, let's get it. Make sure. Yep. Oh, forgot to mention also. I've refilled the shocks. Shocks now have 90 weight oil in them. I think this shock right here only had like some thick, you know, some real thick diff grease or something in it. So you know, I took all these things, cleaned them out, put some 90 weight in it. So we're good to go now. Let's get this thing ready. Let's power this thing on. Alright. Get this body on here. Do a couple more speed runs with it. See what we get. Alright, so as you can see, we're at 0 miles per hour. Good to go. Let's go. See, I got the ramp out. Let's get some launches on that. Oh, it's got some speed on her.
Beat by IQ.
All right, let's see what we're working with. The suspension definitely seems a lot better too. Oh man, we got 34 miles per hour on 4S. So we just gained a mile per hour on that thing on 4S. Same batteries, different motor and ESC. I would think that it would have been faster. I know the torque takes off faster. What's up, Brody?
Beat by IQ. Beat by IQ.
Still 34. Let's clear this.
Beat by Beat by IQ.
Let's see. Right. It doesn't seem that much faster. It just seems quicker off the launch.
Beat by IQ.
To me, it seems faster. Now, I don't know what's going on, but to me, this thing seems faster.
Beat by IQ.
Maybe I didn't do the conversion right for the kilometers per hour, because this thing seems a lot faster. Yeah, it definitely seems faster
Beat by
to me.
IQ.
I might change it back to kilometers per hour to see what the difference is. This thing definitely seems faster.
Beat by IQ.
Suspension definitely is a lot better too.
Beat by IQ.
Yeah, she's definitely faster. I don't know what the difference is in the
Beat by IQ.
speedometer, the kilometers. Yeah.
Beat by IQ.
All right. Success. Zeroed out on the GPS. Let's get some run. One thing I do need to do too is adjust these brakes on here, these electronic brakes. I gotta read up on how to do it though. All right now, that thing got some speed to it. I don't know if I can control it. It's also veering off to the right a little bit, so let me adjust this trim. Let's see what speed we're at. Let's see. Peak 36. See what we had. All right, 45 miles an hour peak now. That's what I'm talking about. 45 mile an hour peak. That's what I'm talking about. Now these tires on here, not a fan of them. They balloon like crazy. A pizza cutter, as some guys in the E-world calls it. Oh man, it looked like the pinion came off. Ah! Pinion came off. At least I found it, right? Man. Ah. All right. We got that pinion fixed now, all right? Yeah. I gotta figure out how to do the brakes on this thing. Zeroed out the speed. Bring it on back. Yeah, that success is it right there. Oh, snaps. Doing willies out there. Doing willies now. Big old truck. Big old truck. She doing wheelies now. That's what I'm talking about. Let's see what the speed says now. Alright. Yeah. 40 miles an hour? That can't be right, man. This thing is fast off. Let's see. 40 miles an hour. Let's clear this out one more time. Can't believe this big truck's pulling up in the air like that. I think mostly now it's tires are spinning. Let's check it. $46 miles per hour. That's what I'm talking about. 46. Also, if anybody knows who has axle extenders for this, let me know, because I bought some and they don't fit the axle for these. So let me know if y'all know who makes one for the RedCat shredder. Regular 17mm axle extenders don't work. Oh yeah, she got some speed on it now. Got some speed on it there. Get a better picture of that. I don't know. I'm thinking about selling this thing. I might end up keeping it just for giggles. When she's fast as I don't know what now, boy. This is a big difference. I ain't used to this. Uh-oh. Some opinion that came off again. Sounds like it. Or it came loose. Something ain't meshing. Oh, I might blew out the diffs. diff sound like it's blown out. Oh man, I think I blew the diff out on that one. I think I messed something up. Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah. Yeah, some pinion damage in there. Oh man, alright. There's definitely some pinion damage in there. I think I done blew that. Might have blew both of them, I'll tell you the truth. Something is going on. Both of them feel the same. Huh? Take her inside, figure out what's going on.